Are you ready for this? Here's your one and only sanitizing system for swim spas. Frog at Ease. It makes swim spa water care a snap. Here's how to use it. In your Frog at Ease swim spa package, you'll find one Frog sanitizing mineral cartridge, one Smart Chlor cartridge, 30 Frog at Ease test strips, Kick It startup shock, and one tether for optional use. Now, get your water ready for Frog at Ease. If you've used bromine, biguanides, or the cyanuric acid level is higher than 80 ppm, you'll need to drain and refill the swim spa. You can always bring a water sample for your dealer to test. When starting with fresh water, make sure it's balanced and within ideal guidelines. If it's not, adjust as needed. Scan this QR code for easy water balancing help. You can also download the free Frog Water Care app for help. To create an initial sanitizer level, turn the jets on. Pour one packet of Frog Kick It startup shock into the water and run jets for 15 minutes. Once your water is balanced and has an initial sanitizer level, it's time to put Frog at Ease to work. Put it together by aligning the Frog at Ease Smart Chlor cartridge with the tab guides on the Frog at Ease mineral cartridge. Push the two together. They'll click into place. Set the Smart Chlor cartridge dial according to the number of gallons in the swimming area. Frog at Ease floats while it's at work. It's that easy. While using the swim spa, you can attach the tether to the railing away from the filter and let it float. Or you can remove the Frog at Ease system from the water. To maintain your water with ease, here's a few tips. It's natural for the Frog at Ease system to tilt, but when it's about 3/4 rotated over in the water, add a packet of Frog Maintain. It's the recommended non-chlorine shock for swim spas. Cut it open and pour it in. This should give you another week on the Smart Chlor cartridge. How do you know when to replace the cartridge? It's easy. When Frog at Ease flips completely upside down, or the out indicator on the Frog at Ease test strips is lighter than the color on the bottle, it's time to change the Smart Chlor cartridge. Hook the old Smart Chlor cartridge to the tether. Attach a fresh Smart Chlor cartridge to the mineral cartridge. And that's it. It's important to replace the Frog at Ease mineral cartridge after 4 months, or when draining and refilling your swim spa, whichever happens first. When you replace the mineral cartridge, you may feel or hear material inside, but it's spent after 4 months and needs to be replaced. Buy a new Frog at Ease system for swim spas and set it to work. Frog at Ease cartridges are recyclable at participating Frog dealers. There you have it. Frog at Ease for swim spas, the one and only sanitizer for swim spas that makes water care easier. Have questions? Give us a call. We're happy to help.